fast. Another rookie.
Yeah, it's a big adventure for me to compete in 2018 Dakar. This was a bucket list item for me, and to do it with the Rockstar Husqvarna team is a huge opportunity. I've had a lot to learn, but it helped the process speed up because I've got to learn from a teammate with Pablo, who's the FIM World Champion at the moment. And I think I have to be humble and just take day by day and hopefully make it to the end.
I felt really good. I catch the rhythm. I felt fast, and I'm happy.
Today for me it was really tough. I had a couple times where I got stuck. The navigation was tricky for me, and I had one close call where I almost crashed big time and my shoulder was really sore. So I think today for me the Dakar was for real.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
Start like a motocross. I enjoy it a lot, and I'm happy to have another day on the book.
It was really fun for me. I had a really good and really bad day. Every day is new and exciting, a little more tired each day, but learning a lot, so that's the most important.
Was okay. Was a lot of mud during the stage, water, and yeah, it was easy to do a big mistake. So I tried to keep calm during all the stage.
Dream come true to be here, so it's something I'll never forget. I want to make the most of it and hopefully come back next year and be more competitive.